This tutorial is for the double crochet stitch, a slightly taller stitch than a single crochet, a longer post, and a little more space in between those stitches. To complete the stitch, we'll yarn over, insert into that next stitch, draw up a loop, so we have 3 on our hook, yarn over, and draw that through the first 2 loops. We'll yarn over again and pull it through the remaining 2 loops to finish our stitch. Double motion, double crochet. Let's try that again. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, complete the stitch. Let's finish the row. Insert, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, finish the stitch. This is the last stitch in our row, which can be a little tricky. After you've completed the last stitch in your row, to work back along the fabric, we're actually going to chain 2 stitches to give us the height of the stitch. Now when we turn our work, we'll create that nice clean edge when we begin our row. And we'll carry on down the row.